What's up, folks? Today, we will make America great again through education. A straight line intersects a vertical line. At a fixed point, rotates and we get a double right circular cone. That's why this line, called generator, the single point where the two cone halves meet, is the vertex. The fixed line is central axis. Directrix is the circles of the bases. The cones are known as a nappe. If a 2D plane intersect the cone, we get conic section. The axis will be the focus of the conic sections. Fixing a point F and a line D. A conic section is the locus of all points P, such that FP divided by FD is a constant named E. F is focus and D is directrix. For a non-circular ellipse, the value of E is between 0 and 1. For a parabola, the ratio is exactly 1. For a hyperbola, the ratio is greater than 1. For the circle, we can say E is 0 by considering the fixed line as infinitely far away. We know eccentricity equals P to F divided by P to D. Well, this is in 2D only, but how is that related to the conic section in 3D? We have this equation where theta is the semi-vertical angle, or in this case, the vertex angle. Alpha is the angle between the cone's slant generator and the horizontal plane. Beta is the angle between the intersecting plane and the horizontal plane. Make sure you like, share, and subscribe, or else
You are fake news.